looking a little rough there, Lee Mac. Looking a little damn rough. Today, we are going to be celebrating the 20th anniversary of my man Dave Meyer, who was the owner of the Wooden Indian Cigar. Wooden Indian Cigar Company, whatever the name of the store is. They're up in Havertown, PA, tobacco shop. The Wooden Indian Tobacco Shop. It's Cigar Lounge. But shout out to Dave. Nice guy. I know Dave personally. I've talked to him a couple of times. He might be like, I don't remember you, but listen. But also shout out to Dan and Todd up there as well. Two of my good amigos. So they sent me down some samples of the Aganorsa Leaf, the Wooden Indian 20th Anniversary Edition cigar. Now, I'm going to tell y'all before I do this review, my box is already on order. Because I smoked the first one, and good God almighty, that was a good cigar. The sweetness. I have not had a Aganorsa Leaf that was as sweet as that cigar was, and the sweetness just carried on throughout the cigar. So we're going to smoke another one. I appreciate y'all for sending me down the samples, but like I said, my box is on order. And I got to get my box on order before I tell y'all this is a good damn cigar, because I don't need y'all to be over there buying them 5x56s this size. It's got a closed foot. Hey, Alex Brandon, there's your density. Only 500 boxes of 10. So that means there's only 5,000 of these cigars. Very good size. We already know about Aganorsa Leaf. And shout out to Terrence Riley, my man over there at Aganorsa. All right, family. Y'all hang on. We'll be back. Cigar smoking family, my cigar smoking for me, family, good morning. And it's actually afternoon because I've already had lunch. I got on just my regular work clothes because I got work to do around the house. But guess what? I'm not doing any work today because my ass is crippled this morning. Yeah, I got a knee that's giving me hell. Brother is limping, big limp. So, you know, when Brotman stopped by this morning, Brotman said, "Hey, look here, man, hold on, I got something in the trunk that might help you out." I said, "Okay, my man." Y'all just don't call them folks on me, but I was hurting, so y'all just you gotta hang with me. Just hang with me, family. It'll be all right. But this Aganorsa Leaf, Supreme Leaf, Wooden Indian cigar is a good cigar. So we're going to do matches today because it's got the closed foot. So when you have a closed foot on there, you want to be able to taste that extra wrapper when you light it up. Nice long matches there. So that's what I'm going to use. So Brother Dexter, man, I know everything is good with you. I hope it continues to be that way. Shout out to all my people. Hey, listen. October 18th, Lee Mac 912, Family Reunion Hearth. Stay tuned. It might help if you cut the damn cigar, Lee Mac 912. It might help. All right, here we go. Let's go, y'all. All that with one match. Cut, light, and purge with one match. Now, I'm gonna say what I get a lot on that first puff, lighting it up with the match or whatever. I get a lot of like smoke. some kind of wood. Retrohale, smooth. We'll get back to the retrohale for a second. That retro is bringing out, it's like flavorful. Just a touch. Just a touch. Just a touch of pepper. Of love, a little bit. Shout out Steve Arrington, that was my jam back in the day. Boy, that retrohale is just nice. Nice, smooth cigar. So today we'll be having a little bit of coffee, a Dunkin' Donuts. Y'all can write the check. All right, family, I'm gonna smoke on. Let's see how this one develops. We'll be back. Oh, $13.50. $135 for a box. I'll be back.